Good evening, ma'am.
Everyone, settle down yourself. Turn on your videos, everyone. Ajish, Utkarsh, Nandini, Bhargav, Saptarshi, Melanie, please do turn on your videos. Quickly settle down yourself. We shall just wait for a minute and then we shall start. Everyone, do turn on your videos. Quickly. I'll just wait for a minute and then I shall start. Bhavik, Bhargav, Nandini, Ajish, Saptarshi, Akrati, do turn on your videos. Everyone will keep their videos on. This is not something I have to explain you again and again, dear. Your video should be on. Okay? Your video should be on. Okay, let's start the class. Just a second. Okay, let's start the class. And we were practicing percentage questions, right? As far as I remember, this was the last question that we did. Tell me yes or no. Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No? As far as I remember, this was the question we did in the last class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes.
Yes, this 15 meter as a percent of 1,000 we did in the last class. Now we are going for the next question of the similar type. Okay? Yes. So here I have
Here
two
I
questions
have two
here.
questions here.
Question number one
Question
and
number
question number
one.
two. It was difficult for me to separate them. Okay. So I couldn't. So one by one, you will answer them. First, you will answer question number one, and then you shall answer question number two. The poll which I'm starting right now is for question number one. Okay, that is convert the decimal 0.76756 into percent. Just give me a second. Yes, and we will learn how we do it. Here you go. Answer in poll, and we shall learn how we do it. Quickly. Question number one. Only Nandini. Only one student. Wow. Very good, Nandini. Okay, we will learn, beta. We shall learn. What happened, Vivansh? You raised your hand.
Oh my God.
Okay. See. First, question number 1 we are doing. Okay, question number first. Convert the decimal 0.756 into what? Into percent. And we have learned that in order to convert anything into percent, what we do? We multiply by 100. If we have to convert the decimal into percent, just a simple thing, we have to remember anything. We have to convert it into percent, just multiply it by 100. So I shall multiply 0.756 into 100. Now, if I remove the decimal from here, so after the decimal, how many digits do I have? After the decimal, I have 1, 2, 3. Total 3 digits. 3 digits means in my numerator, I shall write 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. 2 zeros are cancelled out. I'm left with what? 756 upon me 10. If only 1 zero is left, that means I shall put decimal before 1 digit. So I shall come from backwards and put a point before 1 digit. So 75.6% is my answer. That is option C. Any doubts, anyone? Beta, please raise your hand. Anyone? Any doubts? Do raise your hand. No doubts? Okay. If no doubts, then yes, Yashashwini. Yes, Yashashwini.
Explain me once again.
Yes, yes. You have to convert 0.756 into percent. Whenever you convert anything, whether it is ratio, whether it is fraction or the decimals, when it is converted into percent, we multiply by 100. So 0.756 shall be multiplied by 100. When I remove this point, I shall put 3 zeros in the denominator. Why? Because I have 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after the point. If 3 digits after the point, so in the denominator, I shall write 1 and then accompanied by 3 zeros. 2 zeros cancelled out. I'm left with 756 upon me only 10. That is 1 0. 1 0 means when I will put decimal, I shall put decimal before 1 digit. So 756. Putting decimal before 1 digit, put decimal before 6, 75.6%. Got it, Yashashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Any doubt there? No one, especially those who are new, because you must take a bit time to adjust and get comfortable with me and my teaching style. So anyone? No? Okay, appreciable. So if no, then I'm starting poll for the question number 2. Okay? I cannot rub it because I could not separate it. So question number 2, that is, what percent is 10 meter of 25 meter? What percent is 10 meter of 25 meter? And here you go. Here you go. Answer in poll quickly. Very good, Nandini, Falak, Prajwal. First three to answer me. Very good, beta. Mitran, Vivansh, Utkarsh, Melanie, and Akrati has also given the correct answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, Ajish, I got you. See, the question says, what percentage is 10 meter of 25 meter, right? 10 meter is what percent of 25 meter? So 10 upon 25 into 100. 10 upon 25 into 100. Because the units are same, I don't have to change anything. Just simplify. 25 1 is 25. 25 4 is 100. Now I am left with 10 and 4. 10 into 4 is 40. 40% is my answer. As easy and quick. Option A. What percent is 10 meter of 25? Yes. Beta, want to ask anything? Do ask and then turn off your mic. Okay. So because the units are same, meter is with the 10 also and 25 also, you need not change it. Just 10 upon 25 into 100. 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100, 10 into 4 is 40%. Option A answer. Any doubts? Yes, Magnesh? Anyone? These are easy questions. Yes, Bhavik?
And please give another question of this type.
Yes. Of the same type. Okay. Okay. If you want question of the same type, let me rub this. Just give me a second. Giving you the same question with different digits from book itself. And this particular question is also of Sainik School. Okay. Previous year, Sainik School 2018. What percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter? Zero 0.1%, 1.0%, 10.0%, or 40%. Okay. Starting poll for you. Go for it. Falak, Prisha, only two have given the correct answer. Is everyone have given me the wrong answer? Okay, let's see how we will do it. What percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter? Right? What percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter? So 10 meter upon में 10 kilometer into 100. Now here the units are not same. Here the units are not same. One unit is in meter, another unit is in kilometer. So the first thing we have to do is we have to make the units same. We did in the last class also. So 10 is already in meter. 10 kilometer will be what? 10 into 1000. Why 1000? Because because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's why 10 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1000 meter into 100. Two zeros cancelled out. 1010 cancelled out. I'm left with what? 1 upon 10, and 1 upon 10 can be written as 0.1%. That's my answer. Option A. Option A. Yes, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, it should be 1000, not 10 into 1000.
1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Utkarsh. 10 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1000 meter. Any more doubt? Yes, Mitran?
Ma'am, why should we not put kilometer by meter, ma'am?
Kilometer in the numerator.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of the language of the question, Mitran, you have to understand the language, what it says. What percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter? That means 10 meter is what percent of kilometer? Beta, whoever mic is on, please do turn it off. One by one, you can ask me, okay? So the question is asking, Mitran, that 10 meter is what percent of 10 kilometer? So whenever we have to find out a percent of any another quantity, so the bigger quantity out of which we are finding the percent is in the denominator, and the quantity for which we are finding the percent is in the numerator. Got it, Mitran? Mitran?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. For example, I can explain you like, suppose you get out of 200, you scored 120 marks. So I shall ask you, what was your percentage of the subject? So how would you calculate? So total value you will write in the denominator, that is 200 marks. And because you scored 120, 120 shall be written in the numerator and then multiplied by 100. Yes, Akrati, sorry. Yes, beta? Anyone else? Any doubt, dear? Anyone else? Any doubts? Okay. Very good. You all are so intelligent. No one is having any doubt. Very smart. Okay. Giving you one easy question and then we shall start hard questions. Or let it be. Let the number be. Let us do as the PPT is. Okay. Do this. 9:12 is equal to. And all the question, I'm not giving any question by my own. Each and every question is from the previous year, beta. You can see the years. Each and every question is from the previous year. So don't think that, ma'am, so easy or so hard questions are coming in the examination. This is what is coming in the examination. We will be also doing 2023, 24, 25, 26 questions. Very good, Falak, Yashashwini, Melanie, first three to answer me. Utkarsh, Prajwal, Saptarshi, and Nikshita has also given the correct answer. Very smart, dear. And this one was very easy, dear. This one is very easy, beta. 9/12, right? 9 is to 12. What you will write? 9/12. And I told you, anything you want to convert into percentage, multiply by what? 100. Now just simplify it. 9 and 12 both comes in the table for 3, right? So 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 4 and 100. So 100 is divisible by 4. We have done lakhs of time. 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 25 is 100. 25 into 3, 75%. Answer. Option C. Tell me, anyone, any doubts? Shall I move ahead? Because it is very easy. Anyone? Quickly raise your hand. Who is it? Yes, yes, Ajish. Quickly, dear. Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, I not understand this question, ma'am.
Beta, 9 by 12, you have to convert 9 by 12 into percentage. Anything you want to convert into percentage, you should multiply it by 100. So 9 is to 12 is written as 9 upon 12. 9 upon 12 into 100. Now this 9 and 12 both comes in the table of 3. So 9, 3 threes are 9, 12, 3 fours are 12. Now 104. This 100 is divisible by 4 in 25 times. So 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 25 is 100. I'm left with 25 and 3. 25 into 3 is 75. Got it, Prisha? Okay, very good, beta. So next question for you. Here you go. Okay. Quickly. This is from Sanic School 2023. Only one falak. Rest everyone wrong. Oof. Okay, let's understand this question, beta. I know the language might be a bit tough. First, we will understand the Hindi of the question. Hindi means the meaning of the question. A batsman scored 190 runs.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Falak.
Ma'am, in the live class, it was Falak Kumari, but it's Falak Mayuri.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
I know it's Falak Mayuri. So where I shall make the changes, beta.
No, ma'am, if you can, ma'am.
Are you talking about the YouTube class, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
So might be there any Falak Kumari? Maybe.
No, ma'am, because the EN 55.
I got you, beta. EN number was same. I know. A batsman scored 190 runs, which include 10 boundaries and 6 sixes. What does this mean? Total runs scored by batsmen was 190. I'm explaining you this question in a bit traditional way, okay? I shall show you the short trick also, but first let me explain this using the traditional way so that it is easy to get into each one of your head. 190 is the total runs, and it includes 10 boundaries, 6 sixes. Now, what does boundaries means? Boundaries means 4 runs. If you know the cricket, so boundary means 4 runs and 6 means 6. So if 10 boundaries, that means he scored 40 runs by scoring 4 each time, and 6 sixes, that means he scored 36 runs by hitting sixes. Total 76 runs he scored by boundaries and sixes, right? So running between the big wicket means कि वो batsman run na, 2 batsmen, 1 wicket to the other side. If you watch the cricket, so that is running between the big wickets. So total runs by running between the big wickets, how many runs were there? So 190 minus 76, 80, 110, 114, right? 114. 190 minus 76, 114. This is the total run the batsman scored by running between the wickets. I have to find what? What is the percentage of this run? What is the percentage of this run? What percent of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? So you have to find the percentage of running between the wickets. So 114 in the numerator, because you have to find the percent of running between the wickets. Total runs 190. And if you have to find percent, you shall multiply by 100, right? 0 से 0, cut. 19 1 is 19 and 19 into 6 is 114. 19 6 is 114. You are left with 6 and 10. So 6 into 10 is 60%. As easy as that. Okay? As easy as that. Do raise your hand who did not understand. Anyone who did not understand, do raise your hand. Ajish. Okay. What you did not understand, Ajish, do ask me.
Into 4.
Pardon, beta? Ajish, you're not audible to me, beta. Can anyone else hear the voice of? Yes, yes, Ajish. He left. Ajish, beta, you're not audible to me. Shall I explain the whole question again? Or any point? Quickly, dear. Ajish, you can ask in the chat box, beta. You can ask in the chat box. I shall explain it. Anyone else other than Ajish? अरे नए बच्चे इतने तेज हैं क्या? नए बच्चे तो कुछ पूछ ही नहीं रहे. Yashashwini ji, why is your video off? Mitran, Akrati, why is the video off? Nikshita, beta, nothing to ask? Look, everyone gave me the wrong answer. Still, no one is asking me. Everyone clear?
Ma'am.
How 4 it's written. Boundaries, na? So boundaries means 4, Ajish. Boundaries means 4 runs. That's why 4 came. Okay? Okay, hope everyone is clear with this question. So if yes, I'm moving to the next. Here you go. What percent of 4 day is 6 hours? This is also of Sainik School 2023. Quickly, you can answer me. अरे यार, एक second, beta. Starting the poll. Yes, here you go. Quickly. And these type of question comes in the examinations very large in number. And now everyone, please be ready, because now the chapters which you are going to do are interrelated. Please don't be absent. Okay. Falak, Utkarsh, Ajish, very good beta. First three to answer me. Prisha and Akrati also gave me the correct answer. But I don't know why most of you are giving me the wrong answers, beta. Because this type of question, I think at least minimum 2-3 questions you did. 2-3 questions you did, right? What percent of 4 days is 6 hours? Just like we did, what percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter? Only the digits and the values are being changed. Units are being changed. Apart from that, I think everything remains the same. Language is also same. What percent of 4 days is 6 hours? We can say 6 hours 4 days का कितना percent है? 6 hours 4 days का कितना percent है? So 6 hours upon 4 days into 100. And now because the units are different, just make the units same. You know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 4 days will be 4 into 24 into 100. Now you can simply simplify it. 6 1 is 6. 6. 4 is 24. 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 25 is 100. You are left with what? 25 by 4%. But in your options, you have percent and mixed fraction. So 25 by 4 convert into mixed fraction. 6 1 by 4% will be your answer. Option C. Please do check. And anyone, any doubts, do raise your hand.
Ma'am, I did it in another.
Pardon, Utkarsh, I could not get you.
Ma'am, I did it in another way.
Whatever way, if you got the same answer, well and good. No issues?
No issues? Ma'am, that was that there are 2 digits. 4 and 6. In the A option, there is no 4 and 6. There is only 4. In the B also, there is only 4.
That is Utkarsh, if you did like that, so it was just, you can say, luck by chance, because that will not work all the time. Okay? That was just purely luck by chance. I'm glitching. Okay, just give me a second if I'm glitching. Just a second, dear, everyone.
कौन बोला यार? मत भाई कौन है? Maybe you're not glitching.
Hope it's okay now.
I'm not glitching.
Okay, now, if anyone feels that I'm glitching, you exit and rejoin. Okay, quickly. Giving you the next question. Here you go. Okay, we have 2 questions here, right? RMS 2024. So consider this to be the first question and this to be the second one. Yes?
Ma'am, I did not understand the question 4 days and 6 hours.
Pardon? Who is it? Pardon, Kathy?
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Beta,
From 4 days and 6 hours.
you did not understand this.
Yes, ma'am.
I was asking so many times, Peter, that anyone any doubts? Anyone any doubts? See, what percent of 4 days is 6 hours, right? So 6 hours in the numerator, 4 days in the denominator, and because we have to convert it into percent, so multiply by 100. Now I know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 4 days will be equal to 4 into 24. Now 6 1 is 6 and 6 into 4 is 24. 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 25 is 100. You are left with 25 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. So 25 upon 4% will be your answer. Now convert this 25 by 4 into mixed fraction. How you will convert? 25 by 4, right? So 6 times may 24. Remainder is 1. Whatever is the quotient, write in the side. Whatever is the remainder, write in the numerator, and denominator remains the same. So 6 whole 1 by 4%. Got it, Akrati?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else? Okay, I think there is more hand raises. Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am, so in last step we have to convert it into mixed fraction, right?
Yes, because the options are in mixed fraction, beta. Okay, here you go.
Ma'am, so if the options are not in mixed fraction, so we have to write the answers that what we have only.
Yes, yes. Your answer should be as per the options, right? Okay, everyone, go for question number 1 first. Go for question number 1 first. 8%, whose number? 8% is 128. Find the number whose 8% is 128. 128 is the value for 8%. Okay, Mognesh, Falak, and Ajish, very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. Almost 7 of you have given me the correct answer. See, question says, find the number whose 8% is 128. I don't know the number. Let the number be x. I'm assuming the number to be x because I don't know what's the number. I will assume the number to be x. So x ka 8%. 8% means 8 upon 100 is equal to 128. And what we have to find? We have to find the value for x. That is the number. So x will be equal to what? 128. And this 8 upon 100, when we'll move to the other side of the equals to, will become reciprocal. 8 upon 100 will become 100 upon 8. Reciprocal, ulta. Now 8 1 is 8 and 8 into 16 is 128. 8 1 is 8 and 8 into 16 is 128. You can divide and see yourself. If not, if you ask me that, ma'am, can I cut this by 2? Yes. Can I cut this by 4, ma'am? Yes. Can I cut this 100, ma'am? Yes. But try to do the calculation which is easier. Cutting 8 and 128 is far more easy than cutting any other number. So 8 1 is 8 and 8 into 16 is 128. Now 16 into 100, 1600. Option C can be my answer. Option C is my answer. Okay? Anyone, any doubts? Do ask me, beta. Anything you want to ask? No? Okay. If no, then I have one more question for you. That is question number 2. Okay, go for it. Go for it, beta. Question number 2. Ajish, Nandini, I'm not blind. Even if you answer once, option C, I can get it. Okay? I have good eyesight. It's 6 on 6. I don't wear specs. Okay, Nandini, Yashashwini, and Palak. Only 3 of you have given me the correct answer. Let's see how we will do it. 2 by 5% of 100. 2 by 5% of 100. So 2 by 5 and percent ka 100 I will write here because it is 2 by 5%. Of means multiply beta and then 100 is written over there. So 2 by 5% ka 100 of is multiply and then 100. 100 and 100 simplified. I'm left by 2 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So 2 by 5, when you divide, you will get 0.4. How you will get 0.4? Let us see. 2 divided by 5. So 2 is not divisible by 5. You will take a 0 here. And in order to take a 0, you shall take point. Now, this is divisible by 4, right? 0.4 is my answer. That is option A.
Ma'am, why does 0 come before 0.4?
Beta, because whenever we take point now and there is no value before the point, so we take it as whole number 0. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other question, beta? Anyone else? Please do raise your hand. And while everyone is with the video of Nikshita, Akrati, Mitran, beta, do turn on your videos. Ajish. Acha, Ajish ka to I know. Falak, Prajwal. Do turn it on, beta. See, Yashashwini is always in the school dress, but yet she always turn on the camera. Very good, Yashashwini. If you keep your camera on, it's easy for me to monitor you. I also see on my screen that how many of you are sincere, studying or not. Okay, any question here? Anyone? Hope no. So here you go for the next question. This is for Sainik School 2019. Okay, starting a poll for you. Just give me a second. अरे पोल ही खत्म कर दिया मैंने. Yes, here you go. This is very easy. Just understand the question and it's easy to go. Mognesh, Falak, Yashashwini, very good beta. First three to answer me. Prisha, Melanie, and Saptarshi has also given the correct answer. But only 6 of you have given me the correct answer. 5 have given me the wrong answer, and rest did not answer only. Okay,
Ma'am?
let's see. Yes, Sakrati?
Ma'am, I don't see the question.
Is it black, beta? The screen is black.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please
No,
exit.
ma'am.
Okay, Akrati, if it's black for you, do exit and rejoin quickly. Okay. Anyone
Okay.
by any time of the class, if you feel the screen went black, quickly exit and rejoin. It would get okay. Okay. See, in a school of 1,000 students, 330 come by school bus, right? They come to school by school bus. 400 are walking and remaining they are dropped by parents. What is the percent of students who do not ride by the bus to school? So, number of students not using bus. Total, I have 1,000 students and 330 students use the school bus. So, how many will not use the school bus? 670. 1,000 minus 330. If out of 1,000 students, think on your own. If 1,000 students are there in the class and out of those 1,000 students, 330 students are coming to school by bus. So how many are not coming to by bus? So 1,000 minus 330, that is 670. And you have to find the percent of the same students not using bus, right? Who do not ride by the bus to school. So 670 upon में you take denominator may always be total value. So total value of student is how many? 1,000 into 100. If any doubt that why 670 in the numerator, not only in this question, but any question, if any doubt that why this in numerator, why this in denominator, do ask me, okay? Do ask me, okay? See, so 2 zeros and 2 zeros cancelled out. 1 0, 1 0 cancelled out. You are left with 67. That means 67% is your answer. Option A. Option A. Anyone, any doubts? Do let me know. Anyone, any doubts? Do let me know. I'm getting a bit confused. Am I that good as a teacher that you are understanding everything? Or you are very smart as a student that you are not getting any doubts? Well, I'm really confused because this batch they're asking so much less doubt. So I doubt myself. Am I that good or you are that good?
Ma'am, you are good.
Oh, I'm good. Thank you. I wanted to hear that. Okay, please take a screenshot and then I'll move to the next question. Do take the screenshot, beta. And this type of questions do come in the examination. Don't take it for granted, okay? All the questions that you do in the class, all the questions, each and every question are either directly from the examination, your question paper, or the pattern remains the same. So all the questions which you practice in the class, I would request all of you to practice again and again, okay? Moving to the next, here you go. This is also RMS 2021 question. Okay, starting poll for you. Anyone, want to ask anything? Your mic is on. Okay, thank you, dear. Let me start the poll for you. Here you go. Mohan is having 20%. Mohan is having 20% of money more than Shyam. Mohan is having 20% more money than Shyam. If Shyam has 500 rupees, find the money that Mohan has. Mognesh, Shaptarshi, Falak, very good beta. First three to answer me. Nandini, Yashashwani, Nikshita and Bhavik has also given the correct answer. But today I did not get correct answer from Prajwal, Vivansh, Melanie one to answer. She gave me correct. Bhargav, Akrati, Mitran. I'm not getting correct answer from you all. Why, beta? And still you are not asking doubts. You are telling no, ma'am. We don't have any doubts. We are very satisfied, ma'am. Okay, see.
Ma'am, I don't know this sum, ma'am.
Pardon, beta, Mitra.
Ma'am, I don't know this sum, ma'am.
You don't know this sum. Are you getting it or not? Understanding?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
So, beta, if you're not understanding, why aren't you asking?
Ma'am, this sum now only coming, ma'am.
When I explain this sum, then you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it. Yes, Vivansh, you have raised your hand here. Okay, see. Mohan is having 20% more money than Shyam, right? And how much money Shyam has? 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Mohan has 20% more money. 500 ka 20% is how much? 100 rupees, right? 500. Akrati, beta, your mic is on, I guess. You can turn on your mic, ask me once I'm done, okay? 500 ka 20% is rupees 100. That means Mohan has 100 rupees more than Shyam. So 500 plus 100 is how much? 500 plus 100 is 600. Option A. Because the question says Mohan has 20% more money than Shyam. If Shyam has 500 rupees, what amount of money does Mohan has? So just take the 20%, that's rupees 100, add it to 500, it becomes 600. Yes, now you can ask me who has turned on the mic. I guess Akrati. Want to ask anything, beta?
No,
Anyone
ma'am.
there? Anyone, any doubts, beta? No? Okay, if no, then moving to the next question. Here you go. This question is from JNV. And here you go. Palak and Ajish, very good beta. Only 2 correct answers. A group of 80 students went on picnic. So total number of students are 80. Out of 80, 20% of the students are girls, right? 20% of the students are girls. Rest are boys. Total 16 students are 80 ka 20% will become 16. Now the question says that how many girls should replace the boys so as to make the boys 70%. You want 70% boys, right? Presently, if 20% are girls, so 80% would be boys. But now the question is asking you to replace the boys. How you will do it? So either you can do it by a long process, or you can use what? You can use option elimination method also. If boys are 70%, girls will be what? Girls will be 100 minus 70, 30%. If boys are 70%, total 100% is there. So girls are 100 minus 70, 30%. Now, 80 ka 30%. 24, right? 80 ka 30% is 24. How many more girls do you need? We already had 16, but now presently we need 24. How many girls do we need? So 16 we already have. So please don't tell me, ma'am, 24. 16 we already had. We need how many girls to replace the boys? 24 minus 16, 8. So 8 girls are needed more to replace the boys. Option D. Tell me, did you get it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, anyone?
Any doubts? Anyone?
One by one. One by one. Yes, Mithran.
Ma'am, please teach me one.
Once again.
Once again. Okay, Mithran.
Yes, anyone else, beta? Only Mithran? Okay, see. Total student, Mithran, we have 80. And out of that 80 student, 20% are girls. So 80 ka 20% is 16. Question further says that now you have to make changes so that boys become 70%. If boys become 70%, what can be the percent for girls? 100 minus 70. 30%, because total percent is 100. If 70% are boys, 30% should be girls. Now we need 30% of the girls, which is out of 80 students. So 80 ka 30%, 80 into 30 upon 100, you will get 24. The required number of girls is 24. 16 girls are already with us. How many more girls are needed? So 24 minus 16, 8 is my answer. Option D. Got it, beta? Mitran? Okay, beta. Anyone else question? No? Okay, if no, then please do take the screenshot and we shall do some more questions related with previous year in the next class. Till then, thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone. Quickly take the screenshot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Bye.